Hello and welcome back to another fun Igbo lesson with me, Mercy Choma. Today we're learning how to ask and answer simple questions like how are you in Igbo? Let's go! In this lesson, you will learn three important things. First, how to ask someone how are you? Second, how to reply in different ways. And finally, we'll do a quick practice conversation together. It's going to be fun and easy. The first question you need to learn is Kedu. It means how are you in Igbo language. Say it with me. Kedu. You can use this with anyone you meet, friends, family, or even your teacher. If someone asks Kedu, you can answer with Adim Ma, which means I am fine. Let's say it together. Adim Ma. It's simple and polite. Feeling tired? You can say Ora na tum. Pronounce it like this. Ora na tum. This is perfect when you're just waking up or ready for a nap. When you're hungry, just say Agu na gum. It means exactly that. I'm hungry. Say it slowly with me. Ago na gum. And here is another useful one. Ike dim. It means I'm strong or I'm okay. Pronounce it as Ike de. It shows you're doing just fine. Now, let's do a short role play. I'll say, Kedu, your answer. Ago na gum. Your turn. You say, I'll answer, Ike dim. Great job. You just learned to ask and answer in Igbo like a native speaker. You're building real conversation skills. Well done. Use these questions and answers when talking to friends or family. Remember, practice makes perfect. Dalo. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. Bye.